I got a new plant. All right, I got this guy. He's massive. People didn't know that you could chop and prop. He's got vines that have no leaves. And I'm gonna repot him and chop him up. And probably put them back in the pot, to be honest. They had this one over the top of it and I've just painted it white. It probably needs like more paint, but I don't wanna. So I'm just gonna dump a bunch of orchid mix in the bottom because I know that this pot is like too big, but this plant's needed to be repotted for like forever. There's a bunch of like roots at the base. They don't look great. But the plant overall, besides having like some damage, does look pretty healthy. So I'm not worried about like, I don't know if you can hear me, root rot or anything like that. I mean, besides the stuff that maybe got damaged that was sitting under the pot. So I'm really rusty. I used to film videos, kind of, but then I never like uploaded them. And now I just decided I don't care anymore. I like plants, I like videos, I like all this stuff, so I'm just gonna post stuff. And if people watch it, cool. And if not, cool. I need scissors. Where did I put them? I just changed my kitchen around. And I don't know where my propagation stuff is because I'm not an organized person. I just want to do stuff when I want to do it. And I'm excited because I literally just got this today. The guy was moving out of his house. His house was empty, he just had his plant. He like had listed it for like $100 and I got him down to 60 and I felt kind of bad, so I even offered to give him a cutting once I told him that you can propagate it. And they're going traveling around the country, I think. So I told them when they get back, if they ever want a cutting of it, to let me know, because apparently they didn't really want to lose it, but at the same time, like, it's not going to fit in the caravan. Anyway, I'm a bit of a chatterbox. Is that this? Oh no, that is a pole. I was like, the plant stalk is so like perfectly circular. It looks like one of the poles, and it is a pole. Now, the other thing I didn't think of, because like I said, I just want to repot things and don't think things through, is that I don't have a totem. But I don't know, see how much I cut anyway, and then I'll get one, I guess. I mean, I don't know, there's some sticks in the yard. Maybe I can go get one and just like shove it in the middle. Or like I'll probably leave this like base one because it's like quite pretty dark wood. I mean, I think that I'm gonna cut it honestly around here anyway, like, and just everything from there, because that's when the leaves become heaps more juvenile. And I quite like the shape of these. Now, I'm still talking to y'all, but if I can, I might speed this section up. But knowing me, I can't do that. So enjoy either me standing here silently or yabbering nonsense at you, because that's what I do. You want a plant friend? I'm a plant friend. If there's any plant friends that want to come befriend me. This is what I'm like all the time. I live in Australia, but I am from California originally. I feel like the plant community in America is super awesome. I mean, at least the people I watch on YouTube, like Harley and Ashley and stuff, they're just really nice, and they remind me of my family, so it's really nice watching them. So excited for Harley to have another baby. I'm one of those people that watch for years and years, but I like don't comment that much, and I just silently stalk everyone and hope that they like notice me, even though I don't talk. So how would you? Just want everyone to be my friend. It's okay. It just fell into my fry pan that has gravy in it. It's cool. We're all okay. I probably can reuse those too. Also, I went to Bunnings, which is like a whatever hardware store that sells plants. I can't think right now. Oh my gosh. But I got these grow lights. They're out the front of my house for 20 bucks, and I feel like they're really good. They were marked down. I just saw them as I was walking through. Okay, can we just like appreciate, oh my gosh, how long this is? Like, but you can see why I need to cut it. Like, we don't need naked girls over here. But it's really pretty. I mean, if anyone would like a little piece of her, yeah, I've been referring to it as a girl the whole time. Not that it matters. You can be whoever you want to be. Hit me up. I'm happy to share. Maybe just pay postage or do a swapsy or something, but otherwise, yeah. Okay, let's, maybe I'll cut it first. I'm just gonna use these scissors. I just washed them before, but I was cutting the, string and stuff. So again, I'm honestly thinking, it like bends here. I'm not sure what happened. Maybe they didn't. I'm just gonna cut it at this bend. Oh, or do I want to cut it lower? I might cut it lower. I'm gonna cut it over here. Ugh, that hurts, but at the same time. Like, okay, this one vine that I just cut off, let's untangle. Let's untangle it, she said. Still with scissors in her hands. Got that classic philodendron smell. Sorry, I'm really weird. I don't want to hurt it. Like, look at that. That's like crazy. Scissors. All right. I'm gonna cut you somewhere here or here. Here. Oh, that was really easy. Sorry. Let me just yell. Nope. Is this like the most, oh wait, is this the best content you've seen this year? Just, little old me playing with my plants in my house alone. Oh God, it's tangled. I don't want to lose any. I snapped like, one of the larger leaves petioles, but I just promptly sticky taped that right up. And it'll be fine. Hopefully. Oh my goodness, where do you go? Okay. Why do I sell the scissors? See, that's why. Because I don't even have two hands. Oh my gosh, I feel like, you know, when it's like you have to, oh my gosh. I can't tell which leaves which. Okay, here we go. I'm sorry, plant. Oh my God, is it like, it's, okay, so it's because it was trying to grow, oh my gosh, towards light. So it's got like all these weird, oh my gosh, look at this. Yeah, it's like this. So it was like right wrapped around. I'm going to cut those up more as well. I'm not going to just leave them as trees. I'm going to cut this here. I feel like that's obvious. It's already got a bend. Oh my gosh, why did I think that I could just reef that up? I'm pulling the wrong thing. Oh, it's because I wrapped it around. Okay. Come free. Okay. Literally, this is beautiful on its own. Like, oh my gosh. I love plants. Oh my God. Okay, we got one more, which I must have just dropped, and I'm a derp. Because it's already, oh, it might have snapped off because sometimes, like some of the stalks where it's grown bent to go to the light, they're just weak. All right, So I feel like this is good to repot now. I feel like, so there's an aerial root here that's really attached. I mean, it's completely dried up, but I'm gonna keep a lot of this soil. I know that's probably not the best thing to do. And let me just let me show you what I'm talking about the, like, it's obviously, at least now I can bend it too. You should have seen me carrying this. Wait, was I talking about that before and I got sidetracked? Basically, I was carrying it through this dude's house. Because he doesn't need to carry it for me. I carry it. And I kept hitting his ceiling. I was like, sorry. Get out. Ah! Too far. I'm sorry. I know this is stressful. It's really wet. There was, because it was in this bigger pot that I'm putting it in as like a cover pot. And it was wet, like, in there. But again, it seems healthy enough. I mean, there might be a little bit of, I gotta center this. It cannot be wonky. And I'll put some of that, I've got some of that, like, plant Velcro goodness. I can, oh, I'm sorry. Okay. That I can attach. Now, I was thinking of just, what's it call it? Chucking those cuttings literally right in the soil and doing soil propagations. But I don't know. I might just literally pot this up and then cut those, or maybe like make a whole nother plant or something, because there's so much of it. And also, like, again, if any of you guys want some, let me know. I love my plant people and I love sharing. I think it's like I just did the best trade, to get on another tangent, or a couple trades actually. Where's my shovelly thing? I like traded some of my Melano for like a white ghost tip cutting and a like a few people, so like mine were all the Melano Chrysum, but like one person sent me the Florida Ghost tip cutting, and what's the other thing she sent me? Oh my god, I feel so bad. I'm such a scatterbrain, if you hadn't noticed. Another person sent me a Monstera Peru, which was so sick. And they also sent me a Syngonium Chippenese. I've just got my prop box for one of them. It's pretty cool. I'm excited to see what it, like, I don't know, turns into. And I gave them both. I gave one of them a splashy Hoya, because I love Hoyas too. Welcome to my life. And the other one, I think I gave him a queen, because the other one already had a like Hoya Crimson Queen, so they didn't need it. But yeah, like, awesome. Like, I got plants that I've been wanting for ages, and I didn't have to spend anything besides postage. It's amazing. Like, that's all I want to do now. Although I'm addicted to going to bloody plant stores and whatever. Anyway, this mix that I'm putting in now is a mix of that orchid bark, some premium soil, a little bit of sphagnum, but mostly it's just from like me emptying propagations and there just being random pieces in there. Perlite, some peat moss. I don't know. It's just like a massive mix. I just chuck whatever in there and it ends up being quite good. I try to stir it up every time to, like, obviously, whatever, make it whatever. I don't have a saucer for this either. Again, Kristen's planning comes to save the day. I got a couple other plants today too, so I went to Bunnings, of course. It's really close to me. And they had a lot of those peperomia turtle. I got one of those because I'm propagating one at the moment, but I don't know if it's gonna make it. And they had like really big ones for like $10. And then I also got a what is it called? That doesn't seem like the right name. Ludicia discolor? No. I got one of those jewel orchids. Is that the right name? Ludicia whatever. That looks good. Where is my Velcro? I might have to get a bit. Unless it's over here. Ow, I just stepped on a thumbtack. Where the heck did that come from? Ouch. Oh! It's fine. It's fine, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine. It's fine. Here's what we're gonna do. Before I completely destroy this plant, we are going to be smart about it. And I'm gonna use some of, I am good at doing things on the fly. These were the things I cut off it before, so it will hold it together until I find some of my Velcro, which it's around. I set things in random places, and yeah. So, wear gloves, wear a mask, whatever. But here it is, and my cuttings are all over there. I hope this was entertaining. I don't know where I'm gonna put it yet, but it's gonna go somewhere where it's happy, and whatever. Thanks for watching, and hope you join me again for planting things and other whatever. Okay, bye.